In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert images to vectors in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top menu, click on Design. In the bottom menu, click on the Shape tool. In the pop-up menu, click on the Image option. Select your image and click on Open. Place the image on the canvas. Converting images to vectors in Figma is essential when you need scalability, precision, and easy editing without losing quality. Raster images like JPEGs or PNGs are made of pixels and can become blurry or distorted when resized. But vectors are made of paths and shapes that remain sharp at any size. This makes them ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations that require frequent adjustments or need to be used across different screen resolutions and print formats. For this tutorial, we will be using a plugin. In the bottom menu, click on the Action button. In the pop-up menu, go to the Plugins and Widgets tab. In the search bar, search for Image Tracer. Now, click the first search result. Check if the plugin is created by Dave Williams. If it is created by Dave, then you have the right one. Otherwise, find this one. After you have found the correct plugin, click on Run. A pop-up should appear on the display about tracing the image. In the pop-up, you can adjust the threshold of the image. Threshold means the scanning intensity. You can also adjust the blurriness and masking effect, but for this example, I will leave this as it is. After you are done, click on Place Traced Vector. Now, if you can't see any changes, don't worry. That's because the vector is overlapping the image. Just drag the vector away from the image. Here, you can see that we have successfully converted our image to a vector. Following these steps, you can convert images to vectors easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.